Introducing the Einsen Automated Iron. The ultimate professional-grade automated ironing device. Its innovation core combines a next-generation thermodynamic system, intelligent-powered chipset, and multi-drive engines to deliver automation, captivating speed, and performance. Even for home use, Einsen delivers professional-grade, crease-free clarity. Its exceptional superheated steam penetrates deeper into fabrics, enhancing texture and lifting even the most persistent wrinkles, while its precise pressing technology dynamically adjusts the applied pressure, overcoming any buttons and clothing irregularities. Iron your favorite clothes or the clothes of your family and watch in awe as every piece is ironed effortlessly in real time. Redefine the limits of an iron as the first iron featuring 3D ironing technology, allowing you to smooth every surface, even the sleeves. Enjoy ironing a vast array of textile types. A revolutionary steam format so powerful, it eliminates harmful pathogens. Brace yourself for unrivaled ironing performance. Powered by the most formidable combination of intense thermodynamic output and intelligent software of any iron, experience faster ironing like you have never ironed before. With ultra-powerful motorized systems and processing capabilities, ironing will never feel the same. This is Einsen, the world's first automated iron. Professional-grade ironing in your home.